Oo.
Drugs, mga
With the caption just telling her, I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate in the 2022 presidential race.
He cries kasi malungkot daw siya. Ikaw ba
Would you
naman
like-
ang
47.
kasama
Would you like to
mo
say
sa mga
something
election at ginawa niya
about
gagawin
why you are
ka
crying
ng
on this
mga
part of
pagkakulang
the
at
affidavit?
Masakit, nakakalungkot talaga.
Oo, hindi naman malungkot lang po. Malungkot lang po.
Malungkot. Okay, please proceed.
Si Ramil Madriaga.
Madam Chair, can we allow the witness to please,
Honorable Dumogan.
thank you, Madam Chair. Can we allow the witness to
So yun,
please get his
Yes.
composure before he will continue?